So we'll be discussing about lintels in this presentation.
So what do you mean by a lintel? So here we can see a brick wall and then we want to construct an opening. So for that we construct a beam over here. That beam is known as a lintel beam. So here without a lintel beam what happens is that there can be formation of cracks in this manner. So what do you understand by lintel? It is a horizontal member which is placed across an opening to support the portion of the structure above it. Now, a horizontal member placed to span the opening for doors, windows and corridors. Lintels take the load of wall above the opening and transfer to the walls. The distance or projection into wall may be of minimum 15 cm, height of lintel about 1/12 of the span. Now the projections transfer the loads evenly to the masonry or the structure. Now let's see the different types of lintels. There are wood, stone, brick, steel or RCC. Now we can see wood lintel. So here we can see this is an old house. So here we can see a lintel. This is a wood lintel. Here also you're familiar with all these. These are wood lintels. And now this is the oldest type of lintel and it has become now obsolete. Nobody is going for this wood lintel in present day situation. And it's also known as flitched lintel. And for this a bearing of, see here we can see a bearing of 120 to 200 mm is provided and the width is equal to the size of the opening and depth and the maximum of 200 or 1/12 of the span is provided. Now here we can see a stone lintel. This lintel is made up of stone, so it may be a single piece of stone or more. Now due to the low tensile strength, they are not preferred and it is costly in places where stones are not easily available. Now this is a brick lintel we can see over here. Here also we can see a brick lintel. So bricks are placed on end or edge. So the lintel should be of depth equal to some multiples of the brick course. So the depth of the lintel must be equal to the depth of the number of bricks. Now it can be used up to a span of 1 meter. Can be used with reinforcement for higher span. Suppose the span is very long, we can use along with this brick, we can use some reinforcement. Now this is a steel lintel. So here we can see how is it inserted into a brick wall. So here steel angles or joists. So which section is this? Two angle sections are placed back to back. So now they are used when space is not available to accommodate an arch or otherwise we can use an arch for this. So it is provided with concrete casing for fire resistance because steel is weaken fire, so we can use a concrete casing for fire resistance and it is popular before the RCC. Now we can come to the reinforced cement concrete lintel which is commonly used nowadays. So here we can see now it is provided as a lintel band. It's a complete band of lintel. It is continuous. Now here reinforced concrete lintels or beams are used widely and it is fireproof, durable, economical, easy to construct and normally a mix of 1:1.5:3 is used. It may be precast or cast in situ. So that's all about lintels. Thank you.